Changing your primary email on Postmates is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Open the Postmates app. Launch the Postmates app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to your account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email address. In account settings, look for the option labeled email or email address. Tap on it to proceed to the email update section. Step 4. Enter new email. Input your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a save or update button and tap it. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the change. Once you've completed these steps, your primary email on Postmates will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages to finalize the process.